Let's move on. Once you reach this position, gentlemen, lead the lady in front of you into her counterclockwise rotation, then into the dip position. Shift your weight to the right leg, at the same time use the right hand to gently lead the lady in front of you and put your left hand out rather high with your thumb pointing down like you're checking your watch. Then rotate the lady below the left hand, it goes between the two of you, then above her head. Meanwhile, let go with the right hand, shift your weight to the left leg, adjusting your distance to the partner, leading the left hand to the left side. Rotate your entire body slightly to the left, bend your left knee and lead the lady into the dip. Now about the dip, notice that you should keep most of your weight on the left leg, left knee is directed to the left, right leg slides to the right side. Direct your hips forward to the partner and don't lean over her. Contrary, keep your back straight to create the counterweight. If you want to go deeper into this pose, do it by bending your knee more, rotating your body more and straightening your elbow more, not by leaning over the partner. To get out of the dip, straighten your knee, pull the lady back to the vertical position and rotate your body to face the audience and end up in a neutral position. Now the lady's perspective. Rotate counterclockwise, moving in front of the man along a straight line, taking 4 steps. Start with the left leg and left. Place the right hand in the man's hand with your fingers pointing up. Continue right leg, left, right. Rotate enough to end up with your right side toward the man. Keep your weight on the right leg, bend your right knee and lead your left leg up and forward while tilting your upper body and head backward. Then straighten your leg and go back to the vertical position, turning to face the partner. Let's show this from the opposite side as well. Rotate, left, right, left. Right, bend your knee, raise the left leg, then straighten it, make sure to keep your foot pointed, direct your hips forward and up and tilt your upper body and head backward. Avoid the feeling of sitting down and don't pull the partner with you, try to stay within your own balance as much as you can. If your gown is limiting your moves and you won't be able to raise your leg, you can also keep it on the dance floor in front of you like this. At the end, straighten your knee and turn to face the man. Let's go back to our proper direction and we're going to count this part. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.